Spring is in the air and it's really nice to record this video outside this time. First of all, welcome to the first video of the Inspire Real Estate Corner. We can provide you with weekly updates on the property market in Spain, on the Metropolitan website, so targeted at the international community. We talk about topics that are relevant to people that want to buy, sell or invest in properties in Spain. And today we're going to talk about a question that a lot of people are asking me recently. And the question is the following, or what people tell me is the following. Raf, we've seen a really nice apartment, a really nice house, but it needs a major upgrade. It needs a big renovation. And we're not sure if it's good value for money. We're not sure if we should do it or not. What do you think about this? So here's my view, in short. First of all, we know from previous webinars that the market is very good today. You have lower prices for properties. You can finance your purchase at incredibly low interest rates. That aside, ask a person that you know that has done a renovation. Ask them, how did it go? And you probably get two answers. One is, A, we didn't really like the building company. And two, we went over budget, which is the same as saying the initial cost estimate wasn't accurate. Now, if you end up in that situation, you might have taken a wrong decision, because there might have been properties on the market that would have met all your criteria as well, that were ready to move in or nearly ready to move in, and at the same or maybe a lower price point. So we don't want you to end up in a situation where you overpaid or you're not happy with the quality or the building company, etc. What is key? A few key ingredients for success here, and that's our day-to-day job. When we accompany our buyers to visit properties, houses, apartments, very early on in the first visit, we quickly spot if there is a potential for upgrading, yes or no. Although technically there might be an opportunity to do it, might be possible technically speaking, it's not always the best thing to do, because you might spend a lot of money on it, but it might still not be a great property. You might still not be adding significant value to it. So that's the first filter. Secondly, in the same visit, you've got to make sure, and that's where that you know what is involved, what will be involved in terms of cost and complexity of renovations. We tell you very quickly in such visits what we think is required, scope of work, an approximate cost estimate of these works, and how long do we think it will take. And then 3 is proper planning. Renovations, they go well when you plan properly before you commit to a building company, before you start doing any works. You plan it out, then you get the right company and you select proper professionals to do this for you, and then you monitor it. If you do these things, the chances are high that you will have a successful renovation project, a place that you will be happy with afterwards. A lot of people tell us initially, we don't want to do renovation because they're worried of it, they're afraid of the complexity. They do see the potential, of course, that a renovation gives you the opportunity to adjust the property to your preferences, the layout, the design, the style, the quality, the finishes, etc. But they're worried about the cost, the complexity, the management of it. So this can then be managed well, but again, think about these key ingredients. We are there to accompany you, to help you take the decision. We visit properties every single day for our buyers. We do renovations for ourselves, for our customers, so we have plenty of experience to quickly detect if it's worth even thinking further about renovation, yes or no. You also have to know when you should walk away from a property when it's a potential problem. There's a webinar coming up on this topic, so register for it if you want to know more about it. But keep this in mind. In the market today, there is more excellent properties on the market, excellent deals on the market of properties that need a renovation. That's because of the situation, because of the economy, because of COVID, etc. If you see the potential and you know how to grab that opportunity, you can have a better property and you spend less overall. So join us and stay tuned. There's going to be weekly updates here. Thanks everyone. See you again soon.